Hey there, tech explorers. Ever dreamed of stepping into a video game, wandering through a virtual jungle, or learning something new in a totally immersive world? Buckle up because today we're diving into virtual reality, VR for short. This beginner's guide will break down what VR is, how it works, and all the incredible ways it's changing the world. Let's jump in. So, what exactly is virtual reality? Imagine putting on a headset and being transported to a completely digital world that feels almost real. VR is a computer-generated environment where you can look around, move, and even interact with things like you're really there. It's not just watching a screen, it's like stepping inside a movie or a game. To make this magic happen, you need a VR headset, some controllers, and software that brings the virtual world to life. Now, how does VR actually work? Picture this. You put on a headset with tiny screens right in front of your eyes. These screens create a wide 3D view that surrounds you. Sensors in the headset track every move you make. When you turn your head or step forward, the virtual world shifts instantly to match. And it's like your brain gets tricked into thinking you're in another reality. Many VR systems also come with handheld controllers or even gloves, letting you grab, throw, or build things in this digital world. Pretty cool, right? Let's talk about the different types of VR devices out there, because there's something for every budget. First up, standalone headsets like the MetaQuest. These are super convenient, no computer or console needed, and they cost around $300 to $500. Then you've got PC-based VR, like the Valve Index, which delivers jaw-dropping graphics but needs a powerful computer and can run you $1,000 or more. If you're a console gamer, something like the PlayStation VR hooks right up to your PlayStation for immersive gaming. And for beginners on a tight budget, mobile VR like Google Cardboard uses your smartphone and starts at just $20. No matter where you are in the world, there's a VR option for you. So what can you do with VR? The possibilities are endless. Gamers are obsessed with VR for experiences like Beat Saber, where you slice through music beats with lightsabers, or Half-Life, Alyx, where you're the hero in a thrilling virtual world. But VR isn't just for gaming. Students can step into virtual classrooms to explore ancient history or zoom through the solar system. Professionals use VR for training. Think pilots practicing in flight simulators or doctors learning complex surgeries without any risk. You can even attend virtual concerts, travel to famous landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, or hang out with friends in social spaces like VR chat. From schools in Asia to hospitals in Europe, VR is transforming how we play, learn, and connect. Of course, VR has its ups and downs. On the plus side, it's incredibly immersive and makes learning or gaming feel like an adventure. It's also super safe for practicing skills like driving a virtual car before hitting the real road. But there are some challenges. High-end VR systems can be pricey, and some people feel a bit dizzy or nauseous from motion sickness. Plus, if you're going for PC-based VR, you'll need a computer with some serious power. The good news? VR is getting more affordable and user-friendly every year, so it's easier than ever to jump in. Ready to try VR for yourself? It's super simple to get started. If you're curious but not ready to splurge, grab a mobile VR headset like Google Cardboard. It's cheap and works with your smartphone. Want something more immersive? A standalone headset like the MetaQuest is a great choice. Download some free VR apps or games from platforms like the Oculus Store or Steam VR to test the waters. Just make sure your phone, PC, or console is compatible, and you're good to go. Whether you're in New York, Nairobi, or New Delhi, VR is ready for you to explore. That's virtual reality in a nutshell. It's a game changer that's bringing new worlds to life, from epic adventures to hands-on learning. So what excites you most about VR? Maybe you want to battle aliens in a game or take a virtual trip to a far-off country. Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tech made simple. Let's step into the future together. See you in the virtual world.